What's going on, everybody? It is Luke here from Mr. FBA UK. So today we're going to be talking about a great new software or extension called Honey. Now, I'm sure many of you have heard of it. Maybe you've heard it around the groups or you've heard the word. Honey is actually you can add it on Safari or you can add it on Chrome. It's basically a little extension. Once it's installed, it's always running in the background. And when you come to go to a checkout, it has two added benefits. So you can click the little icon, which will normally appear on the top right hand side, just along the top bar. We'll have a little symbol. You'll click it, and then you'll click go, and it will search for any coupon codes that are online. So the great thing about that is that instead of you spending your time going on Google or going on any forums looking for discount codes, maybe 10% off, you can just use that little button. It will just go through all the ones that they can find online, and it will apply them to cart and to see if you were able to make any savings instead of paying the full price, because you never know what's actually out there unless you look. And there's usually always a coupon code for something somewhere. Obviously not 100% all the time, but 50, 80% of the time, depending on the retailer, there's normally something, even if it's just like free delivery or 5% off. And the great thing about it as well is if you do use Honey and it applies a checkout a coupon code, not only do you make a saving on the coupon code, you then get Honey points. And these points will be added to your account. And once you get those pending points cleared, you can convert them into Amazon vouchers or some other vouchers of your choosing. So if you don't know what it is, you can just go to Honey or joinhoney.com if you really want to have a little look. It will go through exactly how it works. You add it. This is exactly how it looks. You click the add coupon. It will search for you. You would jump down here, thousands of retailers. So, it's not just a handful. And it has just recently been bought out for like a couple of $1 billion. So it's no small company anymore. It's actually now entered the big leagues. So it gives me a little bit more like sort of confirmation that it's actually a legitimate business. It will then do that, and it will add some points to your account. And yeah, give you the best deal. So let's jump over to my account and I'll just show you the points that I've accrued and we'll go from there. So I've just jumped over. I'm going to go ahead and click the Honey Gold section up here. And you can see here, this is now my current balance. So it's saying I've got 31,055 pending gold, 65 available, but I can't do anything with 65. And if you see down here, it says 1,400 gold minimum to redeem £10 gift card. So if you want to have a look at what you can do with that, you would click the redeem. It would show you here what's going on. And these are the UK websites you can redeem your coupons on. So, let's say that you just want to buy some polybags, or maybe you want to buy some boxes or printer cartridges or a printer. Well, you could go to Amazon. If you want to reinvest that all in online arbitrage stock, maybe you want to go to Currys or Argos. If you want to treat yourself to a little getaway, Eurostar, why not? See? And, all of these things is just free. All you got to do is just click a button. And even if sometimes you don't get a coupon code because there is not one, they will still give you Honey points, which will go onto your account. And it just takes a couple of seconds to click a little icon. Let's see if we can just show you here. If I scroll up, here we go. You can see that little H. That is the icon. Here we go. And then it will, it won't do it right now because we're not on a checkout, but that's how you would do it. And then you would click go and it would search. The great thing about this is this can be used in conjunction with cashback websites. So as I've been talking about, you want to try to compound as many cashback alternatives together in one transaction. What do I mean by that? Is, traditionally you would go to top cashback, complete savings, or delivery deals. You would then look for about, anything from 1-2% to 10% cashback on that retailer. When you purchase through those links, you would then get some pending balance into those accounts, and eventually that would pay out in cash. You get paid maybe by a check or a bank transfer, and that would either be extra profits or it would be money that you would use for stock or whatever you want to do with it. Well, what you can now do is you can not only use that, but you can also not only try to get a discount code from using Honey, but then also accrue Honey Gold points. So you're getting not only potentially a coupon code for some percentage off of your basket, you're also getting some cash back, and then you're getting honey points. And then if you're using a cashback card, a lot of people use a cashback credit card because they're putting a lot of money through. Even if it's a 1% card, you put 10 grand through, you're getting £100. And you can also get that. And then not only that, is that, which I'll talk about in another video, you can also, on top of that, use airtime rewards, which I'll go over on a completely separate video. And this is trying to layer up your cashback solutions that are slightly different to each other, which is where the allowance comes in, that you can use them all together. Because an example would be you cannot use top cashback and complete savings and get 2 lots of cashback through one purchase. Yeah, it will whatever one you use more recent would supersede the previous one, and otherwise you could keep getting cashback from a million. You could create 100 accounts on top cashback, go through all of them and get 100 times cashback for one purchase, which you can't do because that's obviously gaming the system, or whatever the word is. But with this, because they're not exclusively the same, you're able to get a variation of cashback, or even, I know this, for example, isn't actually cash, so it's not cashback, but in terms of it has a monetary value to you. Our £200 of gift cards for Amazon is still £200 of gift cards for Amazon. Instead of you using your money to buy £200 worth of stuff on Amazon, you just use that. So it does equal the same thing at the end of the day. Definitely when you want to, you can buy some stock from Argos here, or you could buy supplies and stuff like I mentioned from Amazon. So in any real world application, you would be using that money, but instead you can use the gift cards or the coupon code, whatever, whatever I'm saying. So it's just another way to add up. And if you add up all of this over a year, you could be literally saving thousands of pounds, even tens of thousands if you're a really, really decent large Amazon seller over a year. Anyway, going to leave it there. Hopefully that's really given you a little bit to think about, and not only just looking at the simple terms of cashback, but also looking at all the other things you can add on top to maximize your returns. Hopefully you got some good information from that, and I'll see you on the next one.